Your energy knows why you're here. You've arrived at exactly the right moment. Thank you for bringing your presence into this space. This moment is for you, and I'm so honored to share it with you. What I'm about to share with you might be something you've never experienced before. This isn't just a meditation. It's a quantum code, a transmission designed to recalibrate your field and help you release what isn't yours, so you can return to your natural rhythm of clarity, calm, and expansion. These spoken quantum codes act like instructions, activating innate healing pathways and recalibrating your nervous system, energy field, and cellular memory. All you have to do is listen and receive. This session works on a foundational level, releasing what's heavy and returning you to your natural frequency. And it's backed by science. Quantum biology now confirms what the mystics have always known. Your body responds to frequency, releasing any static, tension, or foreign frequencies picked up from people, places, or emotional residue. Let's start with taking a deep breath. You are being held in divine coherence. Inhale gently and give your inner intelligence permission to restore balance. I activate this code to dissolve resistance and recalibrate my field to receive. Let yourself begin to unwind. Release the effort. Loosen your body. There is nothing to fix, nothing to prove. Let your breath become your anchor. With each inhale, feel the possibility of more. With each exhale, let go of what you've been carrying. If you're guided, place your hands where tension lives, and let your fingers act as quiet lasers of light and safety. 100% RNA is now made available, the memory chemical that translates DNA into a chemical response within your cells. With this intelligence activated, we now transmit this Divine BioEnergetic Restoration Code. Transmitting at 18 volts, 111 hertz, on a carrier wave of 888.88 megacycles per second, all in harmonic obedience to your original blueprint, flowing directly into the subconscious receiving matrix. Clear all energetic resistance stored in the heart, solar plexus, and lower spine. Compute negative 238 millivolts of electrical potential throughout the body fluid system. Release inherited scarcity imprints, childhood guilt loops, and fear-based conditioning. Reprogram subconscious beliefs of unworthiness, shame, and self-denial. Obey the light equation. Move this body-mind field through the DNA unzipping angle of 7 degrees, 20 minutes of arc on a 360-degree arc at twice the speed of light to leave behind the old body damaged by negative emotions. Decode imprint memory of not enough and transmute guilt-based identity structures. Regulate nervous system receptivity via ventral vagal tone, oxytocin harmonics, and GABA field activation. Transmit golden frequency pulses of magnetic expansion to auric receptors. Apply harmonic 1, 4, 4, 8, 8, 8, 1, 2, 2, 1, for coherent receiving, capacity expansion, and soul-led integration. Stabilize receiving field conductivity across electromagnetic ley lines of the body. Attune limbic patterning to new baseline, safety, allowance, and trust. Anchor abundance at cellular consciousness with Fibonacci scaling and divine voltage restoration. Under authority of 7, iterated 7 cubed plus B, pink gold and opal white spectrum, E major harmonic. Ground to earth resonance at 7.83 Hertz for receptive calibration. Infuse your field with encoded joy, gratitude, and magnetic stillness. Recalibrate to coherence. Attune to receptivity. Align to abundance. The activation is complete. Let the vibration settle. Let your body recalibrate gently, like a tuning fork returning to its natural tone. You are now resonating with divine receptivity. Now take a deep breath and a full exhale, letting everything release. Repeat after me, aloud or silently. I allow my system to normalize. I accept coherence. I am safe in this new rhythm. I hope this becomes something you come back to again and again, whether it's part of your daily alignment, a weekly tune-up, or something you reach for any time life feels too heavy or loud. You are a living magnet, safe, open, and ready to receive all that is meant for you. This transmission will continue to work through your energy field in the hours ahead. You may feel lighter, more expansive, or more grounded in your truth. This Divine BioEnergetic Restoration Code will now help your body release resistance to expansion and restore your innate ability to receive love, wealth, support, and divine favor. Take a final breath. You've returned to inner coherence. In gratitude, I thank you for receiving this code. If this session supported you, I invite you to like, share, and subscribe so more souls can receive what they need too. And if you'd like to go deeper, you'll find other divine bioenergetic codes waiting for you on Patreon. With awe always. Until next time.